Today I'll show you how I installed these groovy wooden beaded curtains. They came with two sets of hardware, screws and anchors. I chose the hardware to install on the inside of the door frame. The tools you will need for this are most importantly a pencil and also something to put the screws in, so hammer to tap it in and a power tool to screw it in, but really you could probably use a hand screwdriver and hammer it in with a shoe. Disco ball optional. This is the space we are working with. I just removed a railing from here, which is why that wood isn't painted, so you can see exactly where the curtain's gonna go. I'm marking the 3 spots for the support, 2 closer to the edges and the one in the middle here. And again, I'm gonna go with the hardware that installs on the inside of the doorway. I am marking the circle where I'll be screwing in the screw. I decided to skip the anchors because, as you can see, I'm screwing directly into wood, so I'm just doing a little circle with the pencil in the hardware so I can tap in the screw in the correct place. So here I'm putting in the screw, just making a little hole on where the hardware will go. It is important to put the hardware on first though, so you will be screwing through the hardware so that you are attaching the hardware to the wood or to the door frame where you're installing. If you hold down the piece of hardware, it won't spin around like this.
This video is meant to give you some ideas on how to decorate a rental property, but if you plan on using it as a tutorial, please be careful. I am particularly coordinated, so I take this like this, but please do not get up on the counter, get a ladder, get a buddy, make sure you're doing everything on safety first.
Continue that process with the next 2 mounting pieces in the center, and then the 3rd one on the other end. Tap them in where you drew your pencil circle, and then screw the piece of marker in the 3 mounting pieces ready to receive the top bar of the curtains. And this is how the 3 mounting pieces will look after they're installed. The top bar of the curtains will snap into place on the 3 mounting brackets. So now it's time to push them in. This takes a little bit of pressure, but mostly just knowing where to push. The top of the bar has a little indent that snaps exactly into the mounting bracket. Yes, that satisfying click. This is a closer look at the mounting bracket. Pull this release in case you want to remove the curtain later. And our installation is complete.